Okay, so this is a short video. What I'm working on is reusing the lights that were originally in the cab. They were up on the ribs. There were 6 of them, LEDs that were in the van when I bought it from Ford. And they seem like really good lights, and I hate to just throw them away. So I pulled the lights, I pulled the wiring harness out. And now what I'm going to do is I've taken them, I'm taking a little, got a little electric box. And what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to attach them probably like right in here, somewhere like this. And since I have 6, I'm going to place 2 above the water area, 1 right over the tank in line with the sight gauge, so I can flip the light on and have it illuminated from straight above and see the water level. And then another one over here so I can see the pump area and make sure nothing's leaking. I can look through the holes that I've cut in the board that protects that system. I'll put 2 in the middle here for the garage. And then I'm going to put 2 over the electrical, 1 probably just right in front of the Sterling battery to battery charger, and another one back here. That way that'll light that up real well. And how I'm doing that, the way I'm doing that is I'm taking a blank plate, going to the center line of the blank plate, measuring 1 3/16 inch in each direction, and then marking it off with a pencil and drilling a couple of holes, and then just using my jigsaw to cut out the hole, shape it just right. And once it's done, these clip right onto it like it was custom made. So they'll fit right there. And then I'll run the electrical in through one of the sides here and through one of the little ports. I'm gonna have to make it a little big because I'm going to reuse these, and they have kind of beefy clips on them. If these don't work well, I'll just rewire the whole thing, but I think at this point, if I can use that, I will. And I'm going to put a toggle switch somewhere here, probably, maybe recessed here, so we can just reach in and flick it, and it won't be in the way of backpacks or anything that's hanging on our octopus. This, by the way, is called a drunk octopus that wants to fight for obvious reasons. And yeah, so that's gonna give us 6 lights in the garage. I think that'll be adequate, and if it's not, we'll just add some more, but at least we'll be reusing what we had. And the plates are dirt cheap. They're like 30 cents or something for the plate, and maybe 75 cents for the box. And so a couple of screws later and we're in them. So I'm gonna throw a time lapse on one of these little plates and show you how I put it together. I just installed the first box for the light here. There's going to be 2 here in the electrical area. Kind of trying to come up with a decision on where exactly I want this one. It will fit right here. Well, that's a little tight. But I can put it right here, and that'll give great light. It'll just be hard to screw in. Put it here, it kind of gets out of the way. I kind of think it's not going to hurt anything to have that little overhang. No. Shucks. I could go right here though. But I think we're gonna go there. Anyway, that's what we're at right now. Got my first couple lights in. I have, this is like a 20 gauge wire, so I may upgrade this, but I have a switch right here that I wired through. I kind of missed my center punch a wee bit, but I don't think anybody really care. But that gives us power. It's grounded in here on the back side of this grounding post. And so I've added 2 lights, one here, one here. Everything's daisy chained together, and